Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and this is what you will see after entering the contact. So let's tap on the circle or simply tap on add picture. And here we've got 3 different sections from which we can choose the photo from. Let me do it again. So we can immediately open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. We can choose something from the gallery. Here we've got Google Photos, so basically backed up photos, and the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So I highly recommend to check those options. They are really nice and pretty. So after tapping on it, you've got some kind of presets. You can change the colors. You can also crop the picture, and basically you will be able to zoom in or out the photo, change the position of it, change the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. And now tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.